How to make keto cookies and crème ice cream. The ingredients. For cookie crumbs: 3/4 cup almond flour, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 cup erythritol, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1½ tablespoon coconut oil, softened, 1 egg, room temperature, pinch of salt. For ice cream: 2½ cups whipping cream, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup erythritol, 1/2 cup almond milk, unsweetened. The preparation: 1. Preheat oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Line 9-inch circular cake pan with parchment paper and spray with the oil of choice. 2. Sift the almond flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, erythritol, and salt into a medium bowl and then whisk until smooth. 3. Add the vanilla extract and coconut oil and mix until batter forms into fine crumbs. 4. Add the egg and blend until the cookie batter begins to stick together and form a ball. 5. Transfer the batter to the prepared cake pan and press out the batter thinly with your fingers until it evenly covers the bottom of the pan. 6. Place pan in preheated oven and bake for 20 minutes or until the center of cookie bounces back when pressed. When finished baking, remove the pan from the oven and let it cool. Once the cookie has cooled, break the cookie into small crumbles. 7. In a large bowl, blend the whipping cream with an electric mixer until stiff peaks form. 8. Add vanilla extract and erythritol, and whip until thoroughly combined. 9. Pour in almond milk and blend the mixture until it re-thickens. 10. Transfer the cream mixture to the ice cream maker and churn until the ice cream begins to hold its shape. 11. Gradually pour the cookie crumbles in while the ice cream maker is churning to evenly mix the crumbles into the ice cream. 12. Once all of the cookie crumbles are incorporated, transfer the ice cream into a half-gallon freezer-safe container and freeze for at least 2 hours before serving. The serving. This makes a total of 10 servings of keto cookies and crème ice cream. Each serving comes out to be 289.9 calories, 28.9 grams fats, 3 grams net carbs, and 4.6 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below for more recipes.